Welcome back to the channel. I'm actually out behind Adam. You may know Adam from previous videos. He goes wheeling with us. He's been sporting that, well, I'm out behind his mom's house. He's been sporting, I guess it's his brother's Corolla for like the last week, because his Jeep's been at the JP shop getting some awesome stuff done to it. We're gonna show you here shortly. Like myself, Adam is a first responder. He's a little bit, he hasn't been on the job as long as I have, so, you know, I sort of worked my way up through the ranks, and I work 6 to 2, Monday through Friday. Pretty much, luckily, get to make my own schedule. He's on 12s. He worked 8 to 8 last night. It is 10:30. I asked him if he wanted me to pick him up later. He's like, nope, I want to go get my Jeep. I don't blame him. I think he's still sleeping, so I'm going to try to give him a call here. Let's see.
What's that?
Yeah, I've been sitting out back for like 15 minutes videoing, talking about you and your Corolla. Man, that's a beautiful Corolla you got right there.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
You up?
Yeah, I'll be out in like 2 seconds.
All right, man. What's up with the mustache, dude? Seriously?
What's wrong with it? You don't like it?
Oh, man.
Oh,
You pumped?
I'm pumped, dude. I can't wait.
In the previous video, people were busting your chops because you're wearing a police jacket in the video. Did I ever tell you about that?
Yeah, you did.
Okay.
You did, yeah.
See, he's really a cop, guys.
I am.
He really is.
I have an actual. I got a mustache.
Yeah, he's
and
got the cop mustache.
my hair's a little long, but
Yeah, I can't do that. I can't do the mustache. I mean, I can, but I won't. All right, let's get to the shop. So it's changed a little bit since we've been out wheeling, right? You got a new front bumper.
new front bumper with the winch.
Did you have this winch? You didn't have the winch before, did you?
No, I didn't.
No, nice.
No. Yeah. New light bar. Actually, no, I had those.
Got a new decal on the top of your
Yeah, we
windshield.
got rid of that.
Yeah.
Never ordering from them again.
Yeah, we deleted something off of there. We're not going to mention who that is, but is it locked?
Oh, no, it's unlocked. It's open.
So yeah, we ran into a little snafu. I'll let Adam tell you, but we're not going to mention the company.
No. So when I ordered my Corbeau seats, I got the locking brackets to go with them, and they sent me ones for the JK, but the driver's side was in a box that was labeled JK, but it was for a TJ.
Yeah.
So I just told him to put the stock seat back in, and I can just look at the passenger one, and then when the new locker gets in, the new bracket gets in, I'll just put it in myself.
The JP shop has already got a new one on the way. That's, you know, that's something you can run into if you try to do stuff outside on your own. If you do it here, they'll make sure everything's right for you, so you don't have to worry about that. But they're going to get them taken care of. But look at that. That looks good. Yeah, now you can really submerge this thing underwater.
Yeah, I know. I don't have to worry. You can still see. This is from 2 years ago. It's still like that.
Yeah, I'm not going to show the viewers the pictures that I sent you of all the trash that was under your
Yeah,
seat,
it was bad. It was dirty, too.
Yeah. Yeah, let's check out the back. So I think they did your tailgate too.
Yep.
That's badass. Look at that. I gotta get one of those too.
Yeah, the quality of the pouches is kind of low key, but you can.
Smittybilt?
It's Smittybilt. Yeah, I mean this holds up well, but the zippers broke on both of these, so I just kind of throw some of my stuff in there.
That's cool. Very cool. Check that out, guys. That's awesome. I don't think I'm going to do it to mine yet, but definitely cool.
Yeah, I'm definitely excited. So it's going to be a good time.
We'll
It's
check.
something I've wanted to do for a while. When I bought the seats, I figured I might as well. I can thank Donald Trump for that one.
Hop in there, dude. See what you think.
I'm gonna hop in my passenger seat.
Yeah, your passenger seat.
It's actually pretty comfy.
Looks like it. Actually, not bad. And it reclines.
Yep.
It's pretty cool.
All the way back.
Very cool.
So, I'm very excited. Hopefully in a few days I'll have it in over there and we'll be good. So
Yeah, we'll get that seat fixed,
Yep.
and then we're gonna put some lockers in here.
Yeah.
Re-gear, right?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm not sure yet. I haven't decided. I was gonna go 456, but I might do 488. So we'll see.
Are you staying with 35s?
As of right now, yeah, I want to go 37s down the road.
If you're gonna do 37s, do 513s.
Okay. Whatever.
Well, actually, you can get away with doing 48s
Yeah.
with 37s, but I'm definitely gonna do 513s for my 37s, 100%, and I'm doing it this spring.
Yeah.
It's gonna happen, guys.
Yeah. We'll see. That's for sure. I'm looking forward to it. I got big things planned still. So it's paid off. So now I can do what I want with it.
Cool, man. Well, I'm glad you're happy with it.
I am.
I can't wait to go wheeling again. Adam also had the JP shop install some Fox 2.0 Reservoir shocks. All four corners. Fun job, Tracy.
It wasn't that bad.
Yeah?
What was most frustrating was the wind. But other than that, it's pretty simple.
Would you do it outside?
Had everything all plastic off and masked up, and then fought the masking with the wind. So
So when are you going to get your rig back on the trails?
once my BMW's done,
It's almost there. I've
Yeah.
seen the photos. I've
just
seen you posting
just
stuff.
just need to do the paperwork now.
All right, let's get it done.
I can't.
Why? Oh, yeah. Well, everything's opening up like in another 7 days.
Well, not soon enough.
Yeah, I agree.
I just got a windshield. I just dropped the bumper off down to paint down at Eagle Collision. So the body's almost there.
Nice.
Most of the mechanic work's done too. That seat's comfortable.
Yeah, I just sat there. It's a tease because
He's got a.
I know,
I'm
right?
gonna
The
be-
one seat you really
Yeah.
don't need is the one that's in there.
whatever. That's how things normally work when stuff like this happens. But it is what it is. We'll figure it out.
The bolster does hit the roll bar a little bit.
Yeah.
But
It's yeah.
it's not that bad. We've had worse.
Yeah. My buddy has the same seats on his JK. He told me he likes it, but he said it's a tight fit. But he said it was definitely worth it. So I might buy the harness bar too and put a harness on it just for when I go wheeling. So when I almost flipped my Jeep.
Oh, Lord. Oh, my God.
Hey, you took the wrong angle. You can't even blame it on me. You can't even blame it on me. He just didn't go.
Yeah.
Do not run rear seats in it.
No,
That's
no.
what I figured.
That's actually the first thing I did when I bought it was I took the rear seats out. 'Cause
That's what I figured.
yeah, I still have it. I just don't use it.
Should we show him what you did, the little secret things, or
I don't know. That's if he
or should we just
ever
let him
finds
find
that.
it? Should we
Yeah.
let him find it? Okay. I already showed. You
I
saw the one up top.
I saw there's a white box in the back.
Well, that's all the stuff that I didn't want to throw out.
Okay.
There's a lot of stuff under your carpets.
Yeah, there's
so
probably like old credit cards down there or something like
I
that.
didn't see that.
Yeah,
There's a
yeah.
few. I don't remember. It's just a box of stuff. There's coins. I found a
Hey,
round in there.
You know what that is? That's finders keepers, man.
No, I don't want it.
Is it a pistol round or a rifle round?
It's pistol. It's
Okay.
9, I think.
Okay.
There's a purple sticker on the top of your dash for the Jeep shop.
Okay.
I noticed the license plate on the back, so I figured purple would be fitting.
Okay. Thank you.
And you also have a blue one in there.
I saw that.
Yeah.
Put that
So
on
you can
the
put the blue one wherever you want, but there's a purple one right on top on the
Okay.
passenger side of the dash.
All right. Sweet.
So what do you think? You like it?
Oh, absolutely. I'm very excited. I'm excited to see how if it drives a little bit better.
Well, guys, it's going to bring this video to an end. I know it's a really short video, but I was sort of under the weather this week, and, well, I didn't have a lot of time to do anything. I have other videos lined up to edit. Some big things happen. Some really good content coming up with the Charger, so stand by for that. It's going to be good. I got quite a few videos coming up on the Charger. A lot of fun stuff coming with that car. I want to go over something which has to do with the Charger. I also got Jeep content coming up too. We also need to get back to Maple Grove Automotive LLC. Don't mind that. That's my missus out there. She's leaf blowing. But my friends over at Wire Care, they hooked me up with some stuff to clean up the wiring for something that we installed in our 2019 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. So check this thing out. I got a torch. I always wanted one of these things. Never got one, but now I got one. I got some nice nylon wire loom, and this stuff's really nice. I'm telling you guys, it's gonna look good. It's gonna clean up. Wait till you see what we did. Right? Let's see. This should be heat shrink. Yep. Tons of heat shrink because, well, I want to make it look nice and clean, and I want to have options. And there's plenty of options here. It's the nice thing with Wire Care, man. They have absolutely everything you need. Check this out. Crimper. Needed a new crimper, and I got some plans with that. That's pretty cool. Wire Care has absolutely everything you need. Some connectors. Check this out, guys. Boom, connectors. Oh man, I can't wait. I can't wait for you guys to see what I did to it. This is something pretty new that I've never seen before. These are magnetic, and they're what do they call these? Saw it on their website. I never saw it before. Of course, I'll go over it when we actually do a video when I clean this stuff, the wiring up. But these things actually hold your wiring in place. They're wire holds, I guess. And you can put a pretty decent amount of wiring on it, and this is magnetic, so you don't have to drill any holes, which is sweet. Zip ties, and these aren't just any other zip ties. They're like flat, so you're not going to get stabbed with them, and it's going to look nice, even though they're going to be hidden. And some connectors. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this. Big thanks to my friend Steve over at Wire Care. Thank you for sending all this to me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you smash, tap, do something to that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on all those notifications. Check out allbeastprojects.com, beastsynthetics.com, AMSOIL. Get your AMSOIL from me, guys. Support the channel. Love you. I'll see you on the next upload.